Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone's doing fantastic. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make money using AI image enhancer. I'll be showing you a great and awesome AI tool that can help you potentially make money by editing photos. You don't need any experience, you don't need any skill, you don't need any AI knowledge whatsoever for you to do this. Okay, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you, and you can potentially be on your way to make your first money online. Before, the name of image colorizer. Okay, so image colorizer. So what is this AI tool all about? So it allows you, it actually does a lot of things. Okay, so this is an innovative AI tool. You can easily use this AI tool. So for example, you can use this to add color to black and white pictures, okay? The old photos. You can use this to fix blurry image. You can use this AI tool to retouch faces, improve a photo. You can even restore damaged photos using this AI tool. But how are we going to make money using this one? I'll show you, I'll give it to you, okay? I'll give you some examples, practical steps for you to make money using this. Now, let's go ahead first and see what this AI tool is capable of. So as you can see here, so it has four main features. So first is AI colorize. So AI colorize black and white pictures automatically for free. So this feature can add color to black and white photos in a natural looking way. So meaning if you use this AI photos or AI tool and use this AI colorize feature, you can transform your old photos into colorful image or a vivid image. Now another feature is called AI enhancer. So this fix blurry and low quality old pictures and bring it to clarity. So from the definition itself, you can use this AI tool to fix blurry image, make them high definition, okay? So this, I would say this is perfect for photographers and designers looking to improve their quality of work or their image, okay? Another feature is called AI retouch. So retouch old and blurry portrait photos and make their face look better. So it's like, it's a photo, but then if it's focused or optimized in uplifting or retouching the facial characteristic of a photo, then that's how this AI tool enhances that photo. So for example, selfie. So this AI tool is capable of improving the original selfie image. And then another one is AI repair, currently still in beta, but you can already try it. So repair the damage and scratch old pictures in one click. So this is very good because this photo archivist, or anyone who wants to preserve their old family photos, because through time, it can be exposed to damage, wear and tear, and so on. You can use this AI tool to repair those ones. Okay, so if you will be dragging and dropping this one, okay, so here's the original photo, okay, and then if you will gradually drag it to the right, you will see here the functions that this AI tool offers. Okay, so here's the original photo, and then here. So from AI colorize, it's very simple to notice the difference. But for AI enhancer, it's very subtle. Okay, but it is somewhat, the resolution or the clarity of the photo improved. Same with AI retouch. So in AI retouch, it's very like a classic old looking photo, but if you drag it to the right after retouching it, it kinda improve the clarity and the resolution of the photo. AI repair, so you will see there's a fold on the original photo, and then there's some wear and tear of the photo itself. And then if you drag it to the right, you will see that it has improved, like it as if it is new. Okay, so those are the functions of this AI tool. Now let's go ahead and try and see how it will look like. So let's just try and see how it will colorize the photo. So let's go ahead and click colorize photo. So you just have to upload the photo that you wish to colorize. Okay, so what I did here is that I asked Midjourney to generate me an old photo of the old London. Okay, and here's how it looks. Okay, so just remember this photo. This is a black and white old photo image generated by Midjourney. If you're not familiar with Midjourney, it's one of the most powerful AI tools right now that uses artificial intelligence language to generate image based on prompts. Okay, so we will be uploading this photo, a photo of old London, on here. Okay, and then you just click start, and then just wait for it to finish. Okay, so once it's finished, right, we will be able to see the colorized picture of this AI tool. And there we go. So after like 10 seconds, so it gave us the results. So you just have to click download, and then you will be able to download the photo. And here's the photo, really looking, it is fantastic. So here's again, you just look at the comparison. Here is the old photo, and here's the new one. Okay, so again, the old photo and the new one, it is wonderful. Okay, it is wonderful. So the old photo and then the new one, all with just a couple of seconds. You did not need to know any particular, graphic design skills, AI skills, nothing. You just uploaded the photo and you let AI do the job, and then that's it. Okay, so you can potentially monetize using this feature. Now, how? So just go to Fiverr, just go ahead and click restore image, or search for restore image. You will see tons of freelancers offering services, but restore, retouch, repair, colorize your old photo, and they're charging $10 minimum, okay, per photo. Okay, so look at the number of orders. Okay, so that alone, okay, that this gig alone has already made the person more than 10 grand just for that, feature. And then there's also a lot, the demand is really high. Okay, and I'll show you another way. Okay, so you can actually go ahead and, let's say, visit Upwork. Okay, and then look for jobs, and then restore photos. No, not actually jobs, projects, restore photos. Okay, so here you will see the demand is high as well. Photo restoration, shopping, fixing blurry photos, and so on. $10 minimum. Okay, it's very simple. It wouldn't take you 1 minute to even colorize or to even restore a photo. So all you have to do is to create the gig, create the service that you're offering to your clients, and then have them place the photo or upload the photo there. You grab it, you download it, upload it to the AI tool, and then give it back to them with the improved photo, with the enhanced photo already, and then you'll get your payment. Okay, so that's just one example of how you can make money using this AI tool for, this AI image enhancer. Another way is, aside from offering photo restoration services, you can sell colorized photos. Obviously, if you have, let's say, a collection of black and white photos, you can use this AI tool, image colorizer, and use that option or use that feature to sell or to colorize those photos and then sell it to your potential clients. You can also offer this service, image enhancement. So what you do is you will be making a gig, or you will be offering directly to your clients, to the businesses that you have within your locality, and so on. Use cold approach, use marketing strategies. You will be offering a service wherein you will be improving the quality of the photos, of their photos, whether it be for their business, their family, and so on. So it is a great service, especially for photographers, for designers looking to improve the quality of their work. You can also use this feature, AI retouch. So if this is like a retouching service. So what you do is you'll be offering a retouching service to clients who wants to enhance their selfies, who wants to enhance their portraits, and so on. So the target market here would probably be the influencers, social media personalities, creators, and so on. And then this AI repair, like I mentioned earlier, if you know historians, archivists, you can use image, colorizer, this AI tool to make money. You can use this service wherein you will be restoring old photos and then preserve, let's say, historical documents. You can do that using this AI repair function. So that's a great way for you to make money. At the same time, you are helping, contributing, preserving history, and so on. So again, those are just some examples straight from the features itself. There's definitely other ways, other potential ways for you to make money in various ways using this image colorizer AI tool. So whether you're a photographer, a designer, an archivist, social media personality, or a freelancer, there's just tons of ways for you to maximize the power of this AI tool to make money online. Alright, so that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching.